Hello guys! So, kumusta kayo? Um, Sorry guys kung hindi ako nakakapag-upload lately and hindi ko alam, wala na rin siguro akong content na maisip and lately guys, I feel so down and I don't know, I hope makapag-upload ulit ako ng videos and hindi ko alam, siyempre kanya-kanya naman tayong mga struggles, di ba, and problem in life. So, I'm just giving you an update, guys, and I'm also checking on you. So, to my 186 subscriber, I hope you are doing well. And I hope nakakapag-exercise din kayo and kumakain kayo ng tama. Okay lang naman yung mga bawal. Basta in moderation lang kasi naniniwala ako sa balance is the key to a successful and healthy lifestyle. Diba, charot? So, yan guys. Stay safe and healthy kayo lagi. Bye-bye!